Before you drop cash on an electronic drum set, there's one thing no product page tells you: how fake it might feel when you actually play it. A lot of these kits look the same, but the rebound, the response, the way the hi-hat reacts, that's where the real difference hides. Let's fix that today.
Product number 1, Alesis Nitro Max. The Alesis Nitro Max lands at $449 and feels like the sweet spot for beginners who want real drum feel without blowing the budget. Right out of the box, the 10-inch dual-zone mesh snare stands out. It's bigger than most in this range, and that extra surface area makes a huge difference when you're learning proper stick control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're practicing in an apartment or shared space, the ultra-quiet mesh heads let you play hard without waking the neighbors, while still giving you that satisfying rebound acoustic drums are known for. The module packs 440+ BFD sounds. Those are professionally sampled drum tones used in studios, so your beats don't sound like video game effects. Plus, the included 90-day Drumeo access gives you 1,500+ interactive lessons from touring pros, which is like having a drum teacher in your living room. Now, some people complained about the kick pedal feeling a bit light, especially if you're used to acoustic bass drums. Here's the thing though, it's designed for beginners, and it gets the job done for practice and light gigs. If you're not doing double kick madness, it's more than solid. This is perfect for you if you want a full-featured starter kit that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you already have serious chops and need pro-level dynamics. For under $450, it's a steal.
Product number 2, Alesis Turbo Max. The Alesis Turbo Max is the budget king, but don't let the price fool you. This 7-piece kit uses 8-inch mesh pads that deliver surprisingly realistic stick response, and the foldable rack makes it ideal for tight spaces. What really sells it is the included accessories: throne, headphones, sticks, even a drum key. Everything you need to start playing day one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're teaching yourself or helping a kid learn, the 20 built-in play-along tracks and rhythmic exercises keep practice engaging, not boring. The Bluetooth feature lets you stream music from your phone so you can jam over your favorite songs, which is huge for building timing and confidence. The module's 110 sounds cover classic rock to modern electronic kits, so you won't outgrow it fast. Now, some people complained about the cymbals feeling a bit stiff compared to higher-end rubber or silicone ones. Here's the thing though. For under $250, you're getting mesh heads and Bluetooth, which most competitors charge double for. This is perfect for you if you're a total beginner or buying for a young drummer. Skip this one if you need advanced features like chokeable cymbals or multi-zone toms. For the price, it's unbeatable value.
Product number 3, Hampac MK0. The Hampac MK0 at $189 is the most compact and portable option here. Great if you're tight on space or always on the move. It uses 7-inch double-layer mesh pads and full rubber cymbals, which won't win any realism awards, but they're quiet and durable. What surprised me is the power bank compatibility. You can literally take this to a park and play. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a student in a dorm or living with roommates, the ability to plug in headphones and practice silently is a game changer. The module has 68 sounds and 12 kits, which is decent for casual playing, and the foldable rack fits under a bed. Now, some people complained about the lack of velocity sensitivity on the cymbals, meaning no matter how hard you hit, the volume stays the same. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for pro performances. It's a practice tool, and for that purpose, it delivers. This is perfect for you if you need something affordable, portable, and quiet for daily practice. Skip this one if you care about dynamic expression or playing live. For under $200, it's a solid entry point.
Product number 4, Donner DED20. The Donner DED20 at just $53 is less of a drum set and more of a drum pad, but don't dismiss it. It's a roll-up silicone pod with built-in speakers, perfect for kids or absolute beginners. It mimics a 7-piece kit layout and includes 40 free melodic lessons, which is impressive for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're buying a first instrument for a child or want something to test if drumming is a thing, this avoids a huge financial commitment. The headphone jack keeps noise down, and the USB MIDI lets them connect to ops later. Now, some people complained about this single velocity layer, meaning every hit sounds the same no matter how hard you strike. Here's the thing though, this isn't for serious players. It's a toy that teaches rhythm, and it does that well. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, low-stakes intro to drumming. Skip this one if you're over 10 or expect real drum feel. For $53, it's a no-brainer gift. Product number 5, A-Clot B-Core 541. The A-Clot B-Core 541 at $439 feels like a serious upgrade, especially with its 12-inch triple-zone ride and 2-piece hi-hat, which is rare under $500. The mesh heads are responsive, and the independent kick tower gives you that acoustic-like pedal feedback. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're transitioning from acoustic drums or want a kit that won't hold you back, the dual-zone toms and snare lets and ghost notes like the real thing. The module's 460 sounds and deep editing tools mean you can shape your tone exactly how you want. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking longer than expected. The Rock is sturdy, but not as plug-and-play as advertised. Here's the thing though, once it's built, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level features without the pro price. Skip this one if you need something you can pack up in 5 minutes. For serious practice or home recording, it's a standout.
So which one's right for you? If you're just starting out, the Alesis Turbo Max gives you the most for under $250. Want better sound and feel? The Nitro Max is the best all-around pick. Need portability? Go Hampack. Buying for a kid? The Donner Dead 20 is fun and cheap. And if you're serious about progression, the A-Clot delivers pro features at a mid-tier price. Hit like if this helped and drop your questions below. I read every comment.